My name is Ronald Boyson. I'm the site manager of the Bolobedu Solar Plant. The project is about building the solar plant for a period of 18 months, and it is situated within the boundaries of Limpopo in the Bolobedu area, well known in Limpopo. This project consists of two phases. Phase 1 consisting of the clearing ground of vegetation, bearing in mind the river crossings that we have to offset in alliance with EMBR that we have in place on site, and then also the CCTV cameras surrounding the whole project for security purposes.
My name is Gift Mudau. I'm the Health and Safety Supervisor of the project. So at Voltalia, we've got the very important culture, which is we call it the culture of care. In short, that means that we care about our people, we care about the community, we care about the environment, as well as the equipment that we are using on site. Our main objective is to achieve zero harm and to ensure that there's no adverse or unsafe conditions on site.
If ever a snake is found on site, it is reported to the people who are responsible on capturing the animals here on site. Then we move it to a safer environment.
Some of the animals that like the cows and the cattle, this used to be their place where they always feed, which we need to also consider those animals that they are not harmed, they are cared for.
Hello, my name is Jody Jacobs. I'm a Deputy Project Manager here at Voltalia. We are currently underway with the Bolobedu project, which is a 148 megawatt PV plant. We just finishing the early works, which was the bush clearing, surveillance cameras and the fencing around a 347 hectare area where we're going to be installing this plant, solar PV panels. It's been quite challenging. It's quite a bushy area, as you can see up here in Limpopo. But now that we are at completion of the early works, we'll be moving on to the real work. With the undertaking of phase 2, the main project, we are going to foster the local environment and create a lot more jobs in the local community, uplifting these communities and creating a better future for them. The ultimate goal of this project is to create clean energy for a brighter future for all. The plan is obviously to provide energy for the greater communities and also for Africa or South Africa as a whole.